Have you ever wondered how messages travel from one person to another? Let's explore Laswell's model of communication, a simple yet powerful way to understand how information flows. In 1948, Harold Laswell, a political scientist, introduced a communication model that answers 5 key questions. Number 1. Who the communicator? Number 2. Says what the message? Number 3. In which channel the medium? Number 4. To whom the receiver? Number 5. With what effect the impact of the message? Now that we understand the 5 elements of Laswell's model, let's see how it works in real-life situation. Imagine you're watching the news on TV. The news anchor says a new environmental law has been passed to reduce plastic waste. Let's break this down using Laswell's model. Who? The news anchor, the one delivering the message. Says what? The information about the new law. In which channel? Television, which is the medium used. To whom? The viewers watching the news. With what effect? The audience becomes aware of the new law and may starting changing their habits. As a result, people may start using less plastic or supporting the new law. This shows how communication influences behavior. Now, let's take another example, a teacher explaining a history lesson in class. Who? The teacher who is delivering the lesson. Says what? Information about a historical event. In which channel? Face-to-face teaching in the classroom. To whom? The students who are the receivers. With what effect? Students learn about history and understand the topic better. As students process the message, they might ask questions or participate in discussion. This shows how communication leads to learning and engagement. As you can see, Laswell's model helps us understand how messages travel and influence people. Whether it's the news, education, or even social media, this model plays a crucial role in effective communication.